Hey everyone, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your finances, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through how to create a budget in Monarch Money, an intuitive app designed to make budgeting simple and effective. Whether you're new to budgeting or just switching apps, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First off, let's get started by downloading the Monarch Money app from your phone's app store. Once it's installed, create an account using your email and a secure password. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, and they'll send a verification link to get you logged in. Now that you're in, head straight to the dashboard. Look for the Budgets tab. It's usually front and center. Here, you'll see options to start a new budget. Click on that, and the app will prompt you to enter your basic financial info. Step 1. Input your income sources. Add your monthly salary, freelance gigs, or any other earnings. Be as accurate as possible to set a strong foundation. Next, dive into your expenses. Monarch Money makes this a breeze by suggesting categories like groceries, rent, utilities, and entertainment. Go ahead and assign estimated amounts to each one based on your spending habits. The app even pulls in data from your linked bank accounts if you've connected them. Don't forget to set savings goals. Allocate a percentage of your income to savings categories, like an emergency fund or vacation fund. This helps you prioritize what's important. Once everything's entered, hit Review to see a summary. The app will highlight if you're over budget in any area, allowing you to make adjustments on the spot. Finally, activate tracking so you get real-time notifications on your spending. And there you have it. Your budget is ready. Using Monarch Money not only keeps you organized but also motivates you to stick to your financial goals. Give it a try and watch your money management transform. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on smart finances.